Good morning, dear students. Once again, we are here to discuss RDOE worksheet 41, which is from your chapter Carbon's Compound. Okay, and today we will be going to study that carbon atoms can be linked together to form the chain of varying length. These chains can be branched also. In addition to the hydrogen atom or other atom on these carbon chains can be replaced by some functional group, right? In all these carbon compound chain, if hydrogen is replaced by another atom or functional group, then its properties based on that particular functional group, the presence of that functional group such as alcohol decide the properties of that carbon compound, as I told you. Okay, regardless the length of the carbon chain. For example, uh, the chemical properties of this methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol are very similar, and such a series of compounds in which the same functional group is substitutes for the hydrogen in a carbon chain is called as homologous series. Okay, means they have the same functional group substitute for the hydrogen and they have the same properties. Okay, so these are called as homologous series. If we look at the formula of successive compound of CH4 C2H6, there they are differ with the CH4, the C4 CH4 C2H6. What is the difference? And C3H8, then what is the difference between all these? One carbon and two hydrogen. Okay, so just see on the left this side in box we have what is the difference between the next pair of propane and butane. See, propane we have formula HC3H8 and butane we have C4H10. Again the difference C1 and 2. This is the difference between these two, propane and butane. Okay, see, next we have similarly take the homologous series of alkenes. The first member of this series is ethene, because in my last worksheet as I told you that ethene they have double bond in their structure between carbon and carbon compound. So in this case the series started from two carbon compound which is called as ethene. What is the formula of ethene? The succeeding member have the formula C3H6, C4H8 and C5H10. Do these also differ by CH2? Then we have C3H6, C4H8. Then what is the difference? C and CH2. Again the difference remains the same, CH2. Do you see any relation between the number of carbon and hydrogen in these compounds? So again, in all these compounds, we have the carbon number increased by 1 and hydrogen is increased by 2. The general formula of alkenes can be written as CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms. The general formula of, as I told you, alkane is Cn H2n plus 2. Alkene, where the double bond present between carbon and carbon atom, we have Cn H2n, and alkyne, where we have triple bond and Cn H2n minus 2. This is the general formula of alkyne. So the general formula of alkene is this, where n is the number of carbon present, carbon atom present. Can you similarly generate the general formula for alkanes and alkynes? I have just told you about this. Properties of homologous series: as the molecule molecular mass increases in many homologous series, gradually physical properties also seen. This is because the melting and boiling point increases with the increase in the molecular mass. Because of the increase in molecular mass, the melting point and boiling point increases. Solubility in particular solvent also show a similar gradation. But the chemical properties which are determined solely by the functional group remain similar in the homologous series. In of a particular homologous series of a particular functional group, all the chemical properties remains the same. Now, student, coming to this uh, nomenclature of carbon compound, we have the name of the compound in homologous series are based on the basic carbon chain modified as prefix or suffix. Okay, these can be named by with the help of prefix and suffix according to the presence of functional group in that particular homologous series, and after including the nature of the functional group. See, if we have alcohol, it is named as methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. If it is aldehyde, it is called as methanol, ethanol, propanol, and butanol. There is a difference. This is nol. In case of alcohol, it is nol, but in case of aldehyde, it is null. Carboxylic acid, we have methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, etc. See the answer question answer part. Define the homologous series. You can easily define the answer of first question. Give the name and structure formula of homologous series of C4H9 OH, C4 H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here you can use this OH. Okay, this is the right way of writing this butanol, or sorry, butanol. OH group is there, butanol. The general formula of homologous series of carbon compound is CnH2n, and when the molecular formula of that third and fourth member of series. Okay, third member of series, by using this formula we have C3H6. Okay, and next we have fourth. When we have fourth, then so C3H6, C4H8. Again, the difference between these two is same. Now you have to find out the molecular formula. Okay, then we have C3, uh, C3. No, we have already the molecular formula of the third case. We have already done it. Okay, C3H, six, and C4H8. So students, this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you understand it. So do like video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you बच्चे.